Why is Moodle integration troubleshooting so difficult? Have you ever wondered why troubleshooting Moodle integration can feel like solving a complex puzzle? Let's break down the factors that make this process challenging. Moodle is a learning management system that connects with various platforms like Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365. Each connection point can introduce potential issues that are not always easy to diagnose. One major challenge is the multiple authentication methods that Moodle supports. These include manual login, lightweight directory access protocol, and OAuth 2. If any of these settings are incorrect, users may face login failures or account issues. Troubleshooting means checking these settings carefully and ensuring that user accounts are active and properly configured. Next, we have the diverse integration protocols and application programming interfaces. Integrations often relying on learning tools interoperability, which can lead to problems if the application programming interface credentials do not match or if permissions are insufficient. For example, connecting Moodle to Microsoft 365 might fail if the keyset URL or authentication tokens are incorrect. Unfortunately, these details are not always clearly documented. Another issue arises from plugin conflicts and compatibility. Moodle allows for many plugins, but they can sometimes conflict with each other or become incompatible after updates. Identifying which plugins are causing problems requires a bit of detective work. It is essential to keep plugins updated and ensure they are compatible with the current version of Moodle. Server performance can also play a role in troubleshooting difficulties. If the server is slow or has limited resources, it can lead to timeouts during integration processes. Diagnosing these issues often requires technical knowledge of server management and how Moodle's caching mechanisms work. Data synchronization can be another tricky area. When syncing user data, courses, or grades between Moodle and other systems, problems can arise from mismatched user identifiers or incomplete course syncs. For instance, if the learning management system credentials do not have the right permissions, grade push failures may occur. Lastly, limited documentation and support can make troubleshooting even harder. Sometimes, official documentation does not cover all possible error scenarios, leaving educators and administrators to figure things out on their own. To tackle these challenges, educators and administrators can take practical steps. First, verify all authentication and application programming interface settings during integration setup. Ensure that plugins are compatible and updated regularly. Monitoring server performance and optimizing caching settings can also help. Using consistent user identifiers across systems can prevent sync errors. Finally, performing step-by-step testing of integrations can help isolate issues. By understanding these challenges and applying systematic troubleshooting steps, educators and tech staff can maintain smooth Moodle integrations, ultimately improving the teaching and learning experience.